Did you know humans once lost a war to birds? If your army looks organized, but your enemy runs on two legs and bad attitude, you're about to lose. If your front line is a flock, your strategy is a joke. If your target outruns bullets, you're in emu trouble. 1932, Western Australia. Soldiers with machine guns were sent to stop 20,000 emus ravaging farms. Black and white footage, frantic maps, one wild headline: the birds dodge bullets. Emus split into small groups, scattered, used guerrilla tactics impossible to pin down. After several humiliating attempts, the army withdrew. The official result: Emus, Sharpworn Army, 0, humans versus emus. Final score speaks for itself. Subscribe for more history madness.